Okay, you're moving right along. The last step in level 2 of onboarding is create a subscription. This will allow you to start building recurring revenue. When a new user signs up to your store, they get met with your subscription options. If they choose to start with a free account, they can simply pay for access to your prompts whenever they need them. Or they can buy a subscription plan with parameters set by you. Of course, any user can upgrade or purchase additional plans at any point. So from inside the dashboard of PromptROI, go to Settings, then click on White Label. Finally, click here on Subscribers. You'll see a Create a Subscription button. I'll click that, and we can start building our new subscription plan. First, you will give your plan a title. This information will push over to your Stripe account in your product catalog. Always add or delete your subscriptions inside PromptROI, not from Stripe. Next, put a price on this subscription and decide if your user will get a free trial. If so, enter the number of days up to 7 for the free trial. Then the last 3 steps of creating a subscription are choosing the following. First, the categories your user gets access to when they purchase this plan. Next, the total number of prompt runs in your store each month. And finally, the total amount they can spend each month based on the retail value of each prompt. A traditional all-you-can-eat platform would be unlimited access to all 3. We recommend you start with a simple all-you-can-eat platform for a set price. Of course, it's completely up to you, but this can keep things simple in the beginning. Get your first 10 to 25 paying users and get intimate with them. The goal is to understand who stays and who leaves and why. Then you can improve your offerings as time goes on. This will lower your churn rate and increase your profitability. Head over to level 3 so you can finish up your onboarding.